Well, hello everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. Today we're going to talk about surface areas of spheres. Now, as you know, a sphere is basically a three-dimensional circle. So what happens when you have a sphere, inside the sphere there is still a radius. So the radius is from the center of the sphere, and it just moves out to the outer edge, just like any other circle would. So think of this as in 3 dimensions, and what happens is to get the surface area of it, it's probably the easiest of all the formulas that we do. It's 4 pi r squared. So if our radius happened to be 4, I don't want to use 4, I just have it in there. We'll change that. Let's say our radius is 6. So if our radius here is 6, all we have to do is 4 times 6 squared, and then put a pi next to it. Well, I know that 6 squared is 36, and if I multiply that by 4, I'm going to get 144 pi, and then whatever our units are, squared. Once again, as you multiply these things through, you can type this whole portion into the calculator if you don't have a multi-view, and just put pi in your answer. If you have the multi-view, if you type it in exactly the way that I wrote it out, you'll be just fine. Let's look at a couple quick examples. Oh, I just did one with 6. Let's change this to 5. So we have a radius of 5 centimeters. So again, the surface area of our sphere is 4 pi r squared. So it's 4 times 5 squared times pi. Well, 5 squared is 25. 4 times 25 is 100. Put a pi next to it, and I have our units of centimeters squared. And honestly, the only weird thing that can happen with these things is sometimes you might be given a diameter. So in this case, if you have a diameter, it's going all the way across. We know that the radius then is going to be half of it, so your radius has to equal 11. Write out the formula, 4 pi r squared. So it's 4 times 11 squared times pi. 11 squared is 121. If I multiply that by 4, I get 484. Oops, sorry about that. Pi, and this is inches squared. Once again, I've got a couple quick problems for you guys with the formative. Tomorrow we will have our quiz assessment, and I will post a video explaining all of that later on today so you can get prepared for it. So, hope all is well, and we'll talk to you guys later. Take it easy.